Good morning, everyone. In this short video, we're gonna see introduction on geometrical figures, geometrical shapes, what kind of shapes you might have already learned, but we'll go a little more deeper into it, a deep dive into it, and yeah, let's get started. So we'll go through the syllabus for part one. Before we start with geometrical figures, so we have number work, we have addition without carrying over, then subtraction without borrowing. We have to see multiplication. We'll see coins and currency note uh, sums. We'll look into measurements and then patterns. So we'll start with the introduction of our geometric figures. So it's just revision to quadrilateral, triangles, and circles. Everyone is aware about triangle and circle. I'll get dive deep into quadrilaterals for now. Okay, so what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a polygon with exactly four sides or precisely four sides. It will not have more than four sides. Okay, a shape with four sides is known as quadrilateral. So we're just trying to understand what is this quadrilateral word. It's not an English word, how it is made up of. So I'll split it into two, quadri and lateral. Quadri means four. Actually, this is coming from the Latin word quad. There is a word, Latin word, which will come shortly. Okay, so lateral means side, so it's four-sided. So quadrilateral is a shape that is four-sided, and so there was a. I was saying that this word quadri comes from the Latin quator, meaning four. Sorry, the pronunciation may be up and down. So quator is a Latin word. Latin is nothing but a language other than uh, um, so there are so many languages similar to English. So Latin is one of the language. So it since quadrilateral is a polygon. So what is polygon? Polygon is nothing but the sides of polygon are made of straight lines connected to each other. Okay, so straight lines connected to each other. So these are the examples of polygons: triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon will have five sides, hexagon will have six sides, heptagon will have seven sides, octagon will have eight, nonagon will have nine sides, decagon will have 10 sides, and so on. So the point where two line segments meet is called vertex or corners. Henceforth, an angle is formed for a triangle or whichever. Okay, so wherever these two lines meet, it is called as vertex, and these edges are nothing but the line segments are known as the edges. Okay, so this is how uh, the polygon these are the different types of polygons with different type of depending upon the number of sides, the shape name changes. So hexa means six, hepta means seven, hence these shapes have a specific naming conventions. Okay, so vertex is nothing but where two lines meet, and edge is nothing but the line segment, okay, itself. So now let's look at one of the activity given in the first section of the textbook. So here you'll be given some pictures. You have to identify the figure, the shape of that picture, and write the name of that shape or figure. So this is what we have to. This is the activity. So for first thing, I'll do it for you, and then for next pictures, I'm expecting you guys to write it on the paper and then cross check the answers afterwards. So you'll be having picture, figure, and name of the figure. Okay. So suppose first picture is television. Looks like he's drawing the television now. Okay. So if you see the television or the LED or LCDs or whatever it is, so what kind of figure this looks like? It looks like a rectangle, right? So I'm drawing the rectangle. Fine. I'll draw the rectangle here and definitely write down the name of the figure as Rectangle. Okay. So This is what we have to do. This is the exercise. So you'll be seeing the pictures slowly popping up on the screen, and immediately you'll have to write the figure and name of the figure. Okay, so this carom board. What kind of figure is this? You should know. Then let's see what he's drawing the next. It's sandwiches. So what kind of shape are these sandwiches in? They're cut into two halves. So these two pieces of sandwich, what is the semblance of? And then a phone. Okay, he's trying the phone. Okay, he's completing it, and then something. The next, let's see what is the last one he's drawing. Okay, he is drawing a bangle. So what kind of figure is this? So I'm giving you a few seconds, and slowly you will see the answers popping up on the screen. Okay, obviously the carom has all the four sides equal, so it is a square. It is a square. Square. Then this definitely looks like it has three sides. So three sides, and so it's a triangle. Okay, tri is refers to as three. Okay, and then again this looks like a rectangle. Okay, so I'll draw a rectangle here, and I'll write down the spelling of rectangle or name of the figure. In the second line, I have to draw, and third line, I have to name the figure. Obviously, it's very clear the bangle has a shape or figure of circle. So here it is, and I think I'll. This is for today. Hope to see you again. Thank you so much. Bye bye.